Dear child, the angels have a message for you today. The angels are speaking directly to your heart. They want you to feel the depth of their love and the power of the message they bring to you today. You are a radiant, unique soul, filled with immense love, care, and compassion. The angels see you for who you truly are, and they want you to know that your love, care, and presence in the life of someone special are not only valuable, but irreplaceable. The angels want you to take a moment, breathe deeply, and open your heart to their message. In this busy world, it's easy to get lost in the hustle, the chaos, and the constant noise of life. But the angels remind you that there is something profound about the energy you bring into the world and into the lives of those you care for. It's not always about doing more or being more. Sometimes it's simply about being present, being there, being you. The love you give to this person, whether they are a friend, family member, or partner, is like no other. The angels see how you pour your heart into this relationship, offering support, kindness, and unconditional care. They see how you've been there through the good times and the tough times, always standing by this person's side. Even when you doubt yourself or wonder if you're doing enough, the angels want you to know that your love is more than enough. It's powerful. It's healing. It's irreplaceable. You may not always realize the depth of the impact you have on this person's life. There are moments when you might feel like your efforts go unnoticed, or when you wonder if this person truly understands how much you care. But the angels are here to assure you that your love is deeply felt, even if it's not always spoken aloud. The person you care for may not always have the words to express it, but your love brings them a sense of security, comfort, and peace that they can't find anywhere else. Love is not always about grand gestures or dramatic declarations. The angels want you to understand that it's often the small, everyday moments that matter the most. The way you listen when this person needs to talk, the way you offer a smile when they're feeling down, the way you're simply there for them, these are the things that make your love so special. The angels see how you've been a steady source of support for this person, and they want you to know that these small acts of love are irreplaceable. No one else can give this person the kind of love you do, because no one else has your unique heart, your unique way of caring. There's a quiet strength in the way you love. The angels see that, and they honor it. Sometimes, love doesn't need to be loud or attention-grabbing. Sometimes, it's the quiet, steady love that carries the most weight. The angels know that you've been that quiet force of love for this person, and they want you to know that your love is making a bigger difference than you may realize. Even when things feel tough or uncertain, your love is a constant source of light in this person's life. The angels also want to remind you of the healing power of your care. When you care for someone, you're not just tending to their physical needs, you're tending to their soul. Your care brings a sense of peace and calm that this person desperately needs, even if they don't always show it. The angels see how much you give of yourself to care for this person, and they know that it can sometimes feel overwhelming. It's not easy to be the one who is always there, always offering love and support. But the angels want you to know that your care is a gift, and it's one that this person cherishes, even if they don't always have the words to express it. Caring for someone can sometimes feel like a heavy burden, especially when you feel like you're giving so much of yourself without getting the same in return. But the angels want you to trust that your care is making a difference. They want you to see the beauty in what you're doing, even if it's not always acknowledged. The person you care for feels your love deeply, even if they can't always show it in the way you might hope. The angels want you to think of your care like a garden. Every act of kindness, every thoughtful gesture, every moment of support you offer is like planting a seed. Sometimes it takes time for those seeds to grow and blossom, but the angels assure you that your care is nurturing something beautiful in this person's life. Even if you can't see it yet, trust that your care is helping this person grow and heal in their own way. Your care is making a bigger impact than you may realize, and the angels want you to take comfort in that truth. The angels also want to remind you of the importance of caring for yourself. They see how much you give to others, and they want to make sure that you don't forget to give to yourself as well. It's easy to get caught up in caring for others, especially when you have such a big heart like yours. But the angels want you to know that you are just as deserving of care and love as the person you're caring for. They encourage you to take moments for yourself, to rest when you need to, and to recharge your own spirit. When you take care of yourself, you strengthen your ability to care for others, and the angels are here to help you find that balance. Your presence in this person's life is irreplaceable. The angels want you to know that no one else can be who you are to this person. Your unique energy, your spirit, your way of being, these are gifts that no one else can offer. The angels see how you've been there for this person, not just in the big moments, but in the everyday moments as well. They want you to know that your presence alone is a gift. Sometimes we doubt our value or feel like we're not enough. We wonder if we're doing enough, saying enough, being enough. But the angels want you to know that you are more than enough. Your presence brings something special into this person's life that no one else can replace. Even if this person doesn't always show it, they feel your presence deeply. They feel the love, care, and warmth you bring into their world, and the angels want you to trust that your presence makes a difference. The angels want you to think about the times you've simply been there for this person. Maybe it was during a difficult moment when they needed someone to lean on, or maybe it was during a joyful time when you celebrated their successes with them. Whatever the moment, the angels want you to know that your presence in those times was a gift that no one else could give. Just being there, just being you, was enough. The angels understand that life can get busy and that it's easy to feel pulled in many different directions. But they want you to remember the power of simply being present. You don't always have to have all the answers or fix every problem. Sometimes just being there is enough. Your presence brings peace to a troubled heart. joy to a tired soul, and a sense of belonging to someone who may feel lost. The angels want you to trust in the power of your presence and to know that it is irreplaceable. The angels also want to encourage you to trust in the power of your love, care, and presence. They know that it can be difficult to see the impact you're making, especially when you don't always receive immediate validation or appreciation. But the angels are here to remind you that your love is making a difference, even if you can't always see it right away. Trust that the person you care for feels your love, even if they don't always express it in the way you expect. The angels want you to understand that everyone experiences and shows love differently. Some people are more expressive, while others may be more reserved. But the angels see into the heart of the person you love, and they know that your love is deeply appreciated, even if it's not always spoken out loud. Trust is an essential part of love. The angels encourage you to trust not only in the person you love, but also in yourself. Trust that you are enough, that your love is powerful, and that your presence is a gift. The angels want you to know that you don't have to be perfect in order to be loved. Love is not about perfection. It's about being there, caring deeply, and sharing your heart with another person. Throughout this journey of love, care, and presence, the angels are with you. They are watching over you, guiding you, and protecting you, even in moments when you feel uncertain or alone. The angels want you to feel their presence in your life, to know that you are never truly alone. The angels want to remind you that they are always by your side, ready to offer their support and guidance whenever you need it. When you feel lost or unsure, the angels encourage you to reach out to them in prayer or meditation. They are here to help you find clarity, peace, and strength, and they want you to know that you are surrounded by their love. Sometimes, life can feel overwhelming, and love can feel complicated. The angels understand that, and they want you to know that it's okay to have doubts or fears. But they also want you to know that you are never without support. The angels are here to help you navigate the complexities of love and relationships, and they want to offer you their wisdom and comfort. The angels also want to remind you that love is eternal. The love you share with this person is not limited by time or space. Even when you are apart, your love remains strong. The angels want you to know that love is a powerful force that transcends all barriers. It is not bound by the physical world, but exists on a deeper spiritual level. The person you care for feels your love, even when you are not physically present. The angels want you to trust in this truth. Your love is like a thread that connects you to this person, no matter where you are or what circumstances you face. The angels encourage you to believe in the strength of that connection and to trust that your love will always be felt. In moments of separation or distance, the angels want you to know that your love continues to make an impact. It remains in the heart of the person you care for, offering them comfort and support, even when you are not there to witness it. The angels want to remind you of your own worth. You are a precious soul, and your love, care, and presence are gifts not only to the person you care for, but to the world. The angels see your heart, and they want you to know that you are deeply valued, both in the eyes of the person you love and in the eyes of the angels. The angels want you to embrace your worth and to recognize the beauty of who you are. You are irreplaceable, and the love you share with others is a reflection of the divine light within you. The angels encourage you to continue shining that light, knowing that it brings warmth and joy to the lives of those you touch. Your love, care, and presence are irreplaceable. The angels are with you always, and they want you to feel the truth of this message deep in your heart today.